Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Pimsleur, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the official Pimsleur website. Locate the sign up or register button on the homepage. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a registration form. Fill in your personal details, including your name and email address. Create a secure password that meets the specified criteria. Read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Click on the Create Account or Submit button to proceed. An email confirmation will be sent to your provided email address. Check your inbox for the confirmation email. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Pimsleur website. Log in using your new credentials. Explore the available language programs to choose your preferred option. Follow any additional prompts to complete your enrollment. You are now ready to start your Pimsleur learning journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.